It may be getting cold outside, but it's getting hot in here, because today we're testing out our new heat gun from PRULDE. Inside the box you have your manual, an assortment of 4 different nozzles, perfect for many different situations, and of course the heat gun. That's it. All you have to do to get started is plug it in and slide up the switch on the back. It has 2 different temperature settings, so you can adjust accordingly for your project. It's also designed in a way that it can freestand for hands-free operation, but be careful as the heat gun heats up quickly, becoming red hot in no time. I gave it a quick test to make sure it worked, and then went to go plan some projects. The different attachments are designed with different projects in mind. For instance, the curved one can go around frozen piping and help free up the pipes. It's winter now, and that's a real issue for us. We normally have to bring a space heater out to our pump house. Now we can just use this and save on time and save on energy. They have a barbecue lighter attachment that I'm excited to use next summer when I get a grill. They have a concentrator nozzle as well as a wide nozzle. And the first project I have in mind calls for the wide nozzle. We've all seen those videos of people melting a row of crayons and making cool art pieces. Well, like any grown adult, I tape my crayons to an old canvas and grab my heat gun. The wide nozzle has a huge heat coverage and covers a ton of crayons at once. I was focusing on one group at a time, and not only would that group liquefy, but the next group would start melting too. Now we're not judging the art here, but it was a fun little test. Even though I needed another 100 crayons, it turned out pretty cool. I've always wanted to try this, and now I could thanks to this heat gun. Next, I wanted to try those paint pour videos where they use a heat gun to spread it around and add crackle effects. Now, I don't have a pouring medium, so it's just a test, but I added a few colors of paint and used the heat gun to spread it around and add some interesting effects. Once I invest in the right paint, I can use this heat gun to make some really cool pieces. Although it didn't come out quite the way I wanted it, I was able to get some cool pictures that I'll be able to use. So now that we've gotten our art out of the way, let's use it for something more practical. You can also use the heat gun to mold and bend PVC pipe. I needed to make an L piece and used the heat gun to bend it safely and cleanly. There are so many uses for this heat gun, and now that I've tested it a bit, I have so many ideas for new projects that I could do in the future, and now I'm prepared for the winter to come. We've had doors and windows frozen shut, water lines froze, and more. Now that's a worry in the past. So if you're not prepared for winter, or you're just looking for some fun art projects to do, this heat gun might just be perfect for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go buy some more crayons. See ya!